Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video, I just want to talk about, can short sellers borrow your shares? So the quick answer is yes and no. So for the no part, if you have a cash account, you've already paid for your shares in full. You own them. They cannot come in and borrow your shares from your broker. So the other side of it is, if you have a margin account and you purchase shares on the margin account side of things, and that actually gives them the ability to actually borrow those shares, but only the ones that are on margin. So for instance, TD Ameritrade, if you go to your client agreement, and you can pull this up on their webpage, for TD Ameritrade under client agreement, go down to page 7, and it's right here under loan and securities. So it says, you're authorized to lend yourself or others any securities you hold in my account, and to carry all securities lent as general loans. In connection with such accounts, you may receive compensation and retain certain benefits that I will not be entitled to. And it just goes on, saying some other things in it, basically that, for instance, TD Ameritrade can lend out your shares that you had bought on margin to people to short them, and whatever they benefit from it, you're not entitled to, because the margin account is basically a loan from them, and they still actually own that. So that's still actually their property. They're just lending it to you to try to make money off it, so they have the right to lend just those shares out. So that has always been a big question for the OTC. Can short sellers borrow my shares? And a lot of people, they will put in a sell order to lock down their shares, and really most of them just have cash accounts. So you'll have a lot of people with cash accounts who will start putting in just a sell order, and if it's in the same range, it basically just builds a wall. So that's just something to think about, and to also understand what they can and can't do with your shares. So cash account, they can't touch what's in the cash account. Margin account, they can only borrow what was purchased with the margin account funds. So I hope this gives you some better insight with how this all works, and clear up some things for you. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.